Hi, just a short video to talk to you about this Miele cat and dog vacuum cleaner. This is model number S3161i. It is in full working order and in good clean condition. I'll just go through it all quickly. So it comes with a brand new replacement hose and handle, the Miele head, which is cleaned, the 3 tools, a bag, the telescopic wand, and the actual vacuum cleaner. So I have taken this apart and fully cleaned it. It will have dust in tight places still, but if you can see, it is clean. I've changed the filter. Try to do this one-handed. I'll just show it working quickly. Right, let's put it on low. And turn it up. So if you know about Miele vacuum cleaners, this is very powerful. It'll probably suck your carpet off the floor. Unplug it. So it does have some used marks, but overall it's very clean. Let's put the tools away. Any questions at all, please just ask. Thank you.